Hello guys, and welcome back to your girl's channel. So today, as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you a natural eyebrow hack, or just how I achieve my natural eyebrows. Only thing you will need for this video is dip brow pomade. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow pomade in ebony. Next, you'll need translucent powder. I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun. And last but not least, you're going to need a clear brow gel or clear mascara. I'm going to be using the Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline as my brow gel. So if you want to see exactly what my eyebrow hack is or how I achieve my natural eyebrows, please keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off by setting my eyebrows. This is just to make it less slippery and to get rid of any excess oils that might make my dip brow look a little funky. And for that, I used my Airspun powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this out. Ooh. I really need to do my brows. I'm gonna go get them threaded. These are looking wonky. Next, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow pomade in ebony, and I'm just going to line my eyebrows like how I normally would, so there isn't anything too fancy or special or new here.
Been here before. Usually when I don't get what I want, I duck off, yeah, I just get bored. Especially now I'm that boy. That backside got me looking forward to see, oh yeah, something else. These rap guys, nothing like me, told you I'm different, it's time to prove myself. Both working all week, see me on your way home one night though.
Once we've got our eyebrows all filled in, we're gonna go ahead and set it again. But this time is to make sure that the dip brow doesn't move and it's smudge proof, which is going to be very crucial for the last step we're going to do. And no, this will not change the color of your dip brow pomade. It's just going to set your eyebrows in place. Then we're just going to lightly dust that off. It doesn't matter how you dust it off because the dip brow pomade is set and it's not going to move anywhere. So you can do circular motions, you can go up and down, you can do whatever, just dust it off. Next, I'm going to set my eyebrows in place. I'm just going to be using my Great Lash Mascara, the clear one, and I'm just going to be setting my eyebrow hairs. And this is just going to get rid of any excess powder that we do have on our eyebrows. I'm going to give that a second to dry, and I'm going to put on my foundation, and then I'll be right back. Now that my eyebrows are dry, I'm going to take my finger. Make sure there's nothing on your finger, and that it's dry, and I'm just going to be rubbing in the dip brow pomade. This is just going to give it the natural brow effect by taking some off. And I'm just going to rub off the excess on the back of my hand. I did this the other day because my eyebrows came out a little too dark for my liking, and I really like the way it came out, so I just thought I'd share it with you guys. I don't do too much on the tail because I don't have much hair there, so it's not going to look brow-like on my tail because there's no hair for my eyebrows to look brow-like, if that makes sense. And I'm using a lot of pressure, but I'm going in and doing little sort of wiping motions, but I'm not going in and rubbing. I'm just taking little small wiping strokes. And if you created a bald spot, that's okay. We can go in and fill that in just a second. Same thing on the other brow. brushing it out, making sure they have the same amount of product in each. And for the bald spots, I'm just going to be taking a little bit of the brow pomade once again and just filling it in very lightly. So like right there. My tail, of course. And I don't have a bald spot on this side. And that's it. I'm just going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to clean it up. The top and the bottom. Going in and setting it one last time with the clear lash mascara. And that's it. Let me blend this out. And that's it, you guys. This is my natural eyebrow hack. I did this the other day and I thought I would share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comment section below. For love and makeup and all things girly, please subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.